Hi, it's Brett. Today we've got a rather unusual update. It's not very often we get a car of this vintage that's in actually reasonably good condition, and I'm standing underneath a Nissan Skyline wagon, which is the R31 model. It's got the RB engine in it, and this particular client has wanted to slowly improve his car, and there's little bits and pieces that he's doing, and one of the things that we've done for him today is replace the rear sway bar with an upgraded white line sway bar. And what we're going to do is show you these parts of how they can improve the performance and the handling on a car, even at this age. And I'll get my cameraman to come around the side. You'll see this particular sway bar comes with new heavy duty mounts to mount off the rear axle, but also comes with all new bushes and cups and washers to attach to the rear mounts here. And what we've done is we've supplied and fitted these parts extra, so give it a proper birthday so the sway bar works a lot better. And remember, when the suspension goes up, this sway bar will sit a lot flatter. And of course, what it's designed to do is resist the twisting motion of the torsional rigidity of the sway bar when the body roll of the car is induced when you're going around corners. And of course, this car's got the longitudinal links with the replacement springs. It looks like it's fitted some coil springs from King Springs some time ago and some shock absorbers as well. But what we'll do is we'll go up the front, and that's where it's a little bit more interesting, and we've fitted a sway bar on this one as well. And this particular bar, and I get my camera to come in from the side, is actually adjustable. So we've put the bar on the middle setting, so it's the middle stiffness. So if it goes out to here, it'll be softer. It goes up to the front hole, it will be stiffer. And the sway bar is replacement and comes with heavy duty sway bar links, because the original factory sway bar has got similar links to the rear, but this one is a more sturdy design. And of course, the same thing again, what that will do is resist body roll on the front of the car. Now, one thing we haven't finished fitting yet, and I'll show you what's in my hand, is this particular part here, which is a urethane coupling, and now that goes in the steering column to allow for some steering angularity change on the column, which is quite common on these early model cars. And I'll show you that just up here. So this particular part right there is the original factory bush or rubber coupling, which over a period of time the rubber couplings go old and squishy, and it increases the sort of the vague feeling you get in the steering column when you turn the steering wheel. And what that is basically an alternative to a universal joint, which was later more common on newer model cars. So that part there will remove, and then we'll refit it with a more stiffer version, which is a urethane component. So there's some of the things that you may be thinking about. You may own an older car, but sway bars are a really good way of improving the car's performance and handling, and just a little bit more fun to drive, even on an old school model such as this. And when you see some of these cars on the road, you wouldn't even know, because originally on the road, the sway bars don't affect ride quality or ride height, but they certainly make a good improvement in handling, which is why they're such good value. So of course, you can follow more information on our website at mrtperformance.com.au for more technical tips and information on white line products that we supply. If you want to buy some, we can ship to you anywhere in Australia. But of course, if you've got any other technical questions, contact us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram, or shoot us an email, and make a comment here, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for future updates. But for now, my name is Brett Middleton. Thanks for watching.